Pandemic in 2020 has created a strange and unique economic climate. The stock market is no different either. For most people, investing in 2020 can be scary, but we are here to help. In this video, we will be covering the top 10 financial stocks to buy in 2020. This list is done based on our opinion and is not investment advice. Nearly everyone has heard of Visa. Visa is a company that controls the transferring of electronic funds. With such a large finance company, you can rest assured that the risk is minimal. The market cap of the company is $468 billion, ensuring security. In the last year alone, each share has profited $4.89 each, every quarter. Number 9. PayPal. PayPal is the largest digital platform for individual money exchanging. You can use PayPal as a form of payment for nearly every electronic purchase. Over the last year, they have gotten an 83% return on their services. They also have began to enter into the buy now, pay later trend, where they pay initially and you pay them back over time with interest. With PayPal acting as a lender and profiting from interest, they can better compete with the bigger banks. Number 8. American Express. American Express is one of the nation's largest credit unions. They pay a generous 1.72 dividend rate, which is nice to have alongside with their steady growth and large value. A crucial aspect that sets them apart from other credit unions is their spectrum of platinum cards offering savings for specific types of spending, becoming more lucrative for a more broad demographic of customers. Number 7. Square. Square is a very rapidly growing electronic payment service. It is very helpful for businesses to complete transactions, both benefiting the customer and the business. Last quarter, they had a whopping 140% increase in revenue. This may be the fastest growing finance company on our list today, and the most progressive to the modern way of doing business. They also own the Cash App, which is the biggest competition to the widely used Venmo. People can use this app for exchanging money with their friends and family with ease. Number 6. Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is one of the largest asset management firms in the world. They manage $1.8 trillion worth of assets. They also provide a 2% dividend rate on investments, providing a nice bonus for holding on to their position. In their last quarter they had a 90% increase with their earnings per share. That increase with earnings per share show that they are on a good route for the future. Number 5 on our list is JP Morgan Chase. JP Morgan Chase is likely another big bank you have heard of. They have nearly 300,000 active customers and control a large amount of assets. They provide a generous dividend yield at 3% and are actively acquiring new, intelligent assets, building their income. Number 4 on our list is Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway is the company owned and managed by the legendary businessman Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is one of the most well-known businessmen ever and one of the wealthiest people on earth. Berkshire Hathaway has actively managed their acquisitions such as Dairy Queen and Kraft Heinz. They are also a very large real estate firm. Number 3 on our list is Zions Bank. Zions Bank is a regional bank on the western side of the United States with a very loyal customer base. They come in at number 3 for their 3% dividend and their exceptional leadership. Their loyal following also helps them get here. Number 2 on our list is Bank of America. Perhaps the largest bank in the United States, both with amount of clients and assets managed. They provide a 2.5% dividend yield and have a progressive acquisition strategy which will help them grow past their competition. They are also moving away from oil-based energy to clean energy, which will provide lots of profit to come in the future. Before we say our number 1 pick for today, please like and subscribe the video and support our channel. Our number one pick for today is Allstate Insurance. Insurance companies are probably the most stable financial companies out there, and Allstate is one of the largest with steady growth. Allstate provides a low risk with steady gains going forward into the future, which makes it very good to hold for the future in building wealth. They provide a 2% dividend, which helps with their consistency of gains. Financial stocks are always vital to having a diversified portfolio. They can always be used as a defense mechanism against inflation and volatility to other stocks. Finance stocks typically provide a high dividend yield, also providing an additional source of revenue.